Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. This is the lecture for class 4th, subject English Reasoning. And today's topic is series. And this is our lecture number 2. Earlier, we have discussed lecture 1 number 1. Now, today we will continue with lecture number 2. Let me show you the contents related to this particular lecture. So, the contents in this lecture are: I will recall the definition, then I will explain few more examples of series, then I will discuss the homework solution, previous homework solution, then I will assign you some homework related to today's topic. I hope you understood that the contents in this lecture will be definition, explanation, then I will discuss homework solution of the previous homework, and then I will assign you the homework for the same. Now, let's recall the definition. In these types of questions, we identify the operation of the series by observing the changes taking place in successive figure. What we have to see? We have to see the changes of the successive number. Yani ki the coming next number in the series, we have to observe the changes, and after observing the changes, we have to complete the series. We have to focus on related changes. We have to focus on the related changes, and according to the changes, we have to complete the basic series which is given to us. I think you understood. Now, let's discuss few more examples, which are the advanced one: AI, BJ, CK and dash. Now here what you will see, that there are two letters in this series. Okay, basically two letters are given: A, I, B, J, C, K. So first letter we can see A, B, C. So next will be D. Okay. First letter series is complete. Now we will check second one: I, J, K. So next letter will be L. After K, L will come. So our answer will be DL. I hope you understood. Now let's continue with the next one. We can see that there are three letters in the series. Three letter series it is: BMX, DNW, BOV. Okay. So B, after B, C is left D, after D, E is left F. So we have to leave G and we will write L. L will come. Now let's check second letter: M, N, O. Then P will come. Sorry. Again we will check B, MX, D and W, F, O, V. So B, C we leave here. After D, E we leave here. After F, G we leave here, and H will come. The first letter will be H. Then M, N, O, P. Then P will come. Then X. After X, Y we leave. We can see that this is first two letters are in forward way and the last letter is in backward. See, U, V. After V, W will come. Okay, U, V, W, X. After X, Y. Y will come. So like this, what we came to know, after V, U will come. So our letter will be HPU. HPU. I hope you understood. Okay, now let's start the next one. Now, next let's check the third one. PQB RSC TUD. So we can see B, C, D. So first letter will be A. In this series of three letters, the last letter will be A. A will come. So we will have to check from A and B only. Then Q, R, S, T, U. So Q, before Q what will come? What will come? P, Q, R. So O, P, Q, R. Okay. So O will come. Then we will see P, Q, R, S, T. So before P what will come? M, N, O, P. So N will come. N. N, O, A will be our answer. I hope you understood this series. Okay. Now let's discuss the previous homework solution. RUXA G. Now R PQR STU VWX YZA BC. Now D will come. EFG will come. So our answer will be D. I hope you understood. Now let's move to the second one. UVWXYZAB. So we can say 6 letters difference. In B and I again 6, I and P again 6, P and W again 6. So W X Y Z A B C, 6 letter will be D. So our answer will be D. So we will tick on D. I hope you understood. Now let's continue with the next one. HIKN. CGHI. No letter will come. IJ, one letter will come. KLM. LM, 2 letter will come. NOPQ. Now next letter will be R. So our answer will be R. I hope you understood this one also. Now next move to the last one, that is QTWZC. So after Q, RS, QRS, T, UVW, XYZ, ABC, DEF. So what will come? F. In this series, what will come? F. So F will be the answer. We will tick on F. I hope you understood all the questions which were given in the homework. So in this manner, you have to complete all the series. I hope you understood. Now let me assign you the homework for today's part. Now let's continue with the homework. So these 4 parts will be your homework. 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. These are the parts which you have to do in homework. Okay. Again you have to find the series from all these words. You have to check the series of all letters and then you are able to complete the last letter in the series. I hope you understood. If you don't came to know how the next letter will come, then recall the parts which I discussed now. In this manner, you came to know how you will complete this series. I hope you understood. In the last but not the least, I want to say thank you to you, and please send this homework on Deepti West Academy 9@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a good day.